Oranges are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and for good reason. They're not only delicious, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the amazing benefits of oranges. Oranges are a citrus fruit that are packed with nutrients and can offer several health benefits. Here are some benefits of oranges. Rich in vitamin C. First and foremost, oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C. In fact, just one medium-sized orange can provide you with over 70% of your daily recommended intake of this essential nutrient. Let's first discuss vitamin C and its benefits. Vitamin C is important for maintaining a healthy immune system, helping to heal wounds, and promoting healthy skin. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to strengthen the immune system by protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C is required for the production of new tissue, which helps to speed up the healing process of wounds, cuts, and bruises. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is necessary for the growth and repair of tissues. It helps to keep the skin healthy, youthful, and glowing. Vitamin C helps the body absorb iron from plant-based foods, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood cells and preventing anemia. Vitamin C plays a role in neurotransmitter synthesis, which is essential for brain function and mood regulation. Vitamin C has been linked to a lower risk of cataracts, which is a condition that causes cloudy vision. Good for digestion. Back to other benefits of oranges. Oranges also contain dietary fiber, which can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Low in calories. Oranges are relatively low in calories, making them a great snack for people who are watching their weight. Heart healthy. Oranges are also heart healthy. Oranges contain flavonoids, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, reducing the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants found in oranges can help protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. In fact, studies have shown that consuming citrus fruits like oranges can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including lung, breast, and colon cancer. Good for skin. As mentioned, given vitamin C, oranges are also good for your skin. They're rich in antioxidants that help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and sun exposure. Good for eye health. And finally, oranges contain beta-carotene, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyes and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Overall, oranges are a great addition to a healthy diet, providing numerous health benefits. So there you have it, just a few of the many amazing benefits of oranges. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your heart health, or protect your skin, adding oranges to your diet is a great way to support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching.